Hey, it's Cody here with Evolution AV. I'm just downtown Calgary at Theatre Calgary, standing in front of their massive 6.8 million pixel LED screen that we installed last year for them to headline their Christmas Carol production. That headlined in 2019. They just finished up their digital production of their 2020 Christmas Carol, and we're just down here to take a look at the project. This LED wall consists of 416 panels of 3.9 millimeter pitch LED, really fine pitch so you get nice detail. The screen is almost a 4K resolution, just slightly under, but super high def, looks great, fills up the entire backstage. And during a normal production, the audience has a great dynamic backdrop. This project was pretty unique. We actually worked directly with Theatre Calgary's production team. Theatre Calgary dealt with the rigging and the motors and the powers, and we dealt with the LED screen. As we're LED screen experts, we were able to work with them and bring this together to create a great production. So probably the hardest thing to overcome with this project is just the sheer size. Luckily, the screen is extremely lightweight, so you don't need a ton of rigging, but there's just a lot of panels. Having 416 panels just takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of skill to put it all together and make it look great. All right, and I'm standing in front of this almost 40 feet wide by about 25-foot high screen. It creates a full backdrop for the cedar when it all gets draped in, and it allows them to change the backdrop from a street in London to a field out in Ottawa or anything like that at the whim of a button. This has been our largest LED screen project to date. Thanks for Theatre Calgary for working with us on this, and we're ready for something bigger and better on the next one. Check out our website at evolutionav.ca for more information.